Hi, I'm Corpi. In this video, I'll show you how to use the INPACT AI writing assistant, step by step. First, click Open the Assistant at the top of the page. In the Paper section field, choose Introduction, Methods, Results, or Discussion. This matters because each section has its own conventions. Writing an introduction is different from reporting methods. Next, choose your field in the Field or Discipline menu. Writing conventions vary widely across disciplines. What is common in applied linguistics may not be in education. This variation is well documented in Ken Hyland's work. Now, write or paste your paragraph in English into the editor. If you just want to try it out, click Load Sample Paragraph. Then click Analyze Text. In a few seconds, the feedback appears in the panel, organized in 3 blocks. First, an index of adherence to the section's conventions, an overview of how close your text is to the standards of your field. Second, the rhetorical moves. I check whether your paragraph fulfills the expected steps. For example, whether your introduction signals the research gap. This model comes from the linguist John Swales, and I'll explain it in the next video. Third, the formulaic bundles, conventional expressions of academic writing that can replace informal phrasings. For example, replacing "we want to talk about" with "this study aims to." One important detail: I do not correct or rewrite your text. I point out paths and show real examples, but the decision is always yours. This kind of support is what the literature calls scaffolding, a frame that sustains your writing while you develop your own competence. Remember, in this demo version, the feedback is simulated. The full version will retrieve patterns from real corpora in real time. Try it now. And in the next video, we dive into the theory.